Hi friends, this is the demo for my Windows 29 application. I have been building this for over 1.5 years now. Finally, I have completed it. It requires .NET Framework 2.0 or later. I built it in C# .NET. Earlier, I built a 29C program which I posted on Facebook, but it required DOSBox to run it. So I thought better I would build a 29 Windows application. So there are two programs. One is a server program and other is the client, as this application works on client server model. So let's see the server application first. This is the server program which any one person needs to run on his system, and then other players, all the four players, can run the application and connect to the server. So when you start the server, double click it, it will ask for the IP address, the public IP of the system on which it is running. So you can get it from any site like whatismyip.com or any else, or if you are using a router at home, so then you need to give the wireless LAN IP, which would be of the form 192.168 1 dot something or 2 dot something. So I am using a data card, so I have given my public IP which I have got from whatismyip.com. So this IP we need to enter in the server. When you press enter, it will ask for the port number on which it will listen to client connections. So for example, you can give the port number 8001. You can give any number, 8002, 8003, anything. When you press enter, it displays server listening. Now the server is ready for incoming connections from clients. If the server program closes when you enter the port number, it means that port is already being used by another application on your system. So you need to restart the server, give the IP and give any other port number like 8002, 8003 or something. So now the server is listening for client connections. Let's see our client, our 29 application. So this is the 29 application. When you run it, it looks like this. At first it is blank. There are various sections I have built in this. I'll talk about each section one by one. So first is the connect section you see over here. You need to enter the server IP, the IP which the server is using in the first text box, and the port number which we entered in the server, and your name which will be displayed in the application and to all other players. So let's connect the first client. I enter the IP address. Then I enter the port number on which the server is listening. In our case it is 8001. And then the first player enters his name. Let's say he enters Ram. When he presses this connect button, the server accepts the connection and the message connected is displayed in the application. So now the first player is connected to the server. So in the similar manner, every other player needs to connect. So this is the second player. He can give the IP, the port number, his name, and he can press connect. So he is also connected. Same manner the third player will connect. He's given the IP, port number, he is given the name Mohan. Presses connect, he is connected. Lastly, the fourth player will connect. So he presses connect, he gives the IP, port number, his name. So now 4 players are connected, all the 4 application clients are connected to the server. So after all the 4 players are connected, the first player will get the message input required. So as you can see, this is the input section of the application. The first player is getting the message choose partners. So you can use these drop downs to choose the partners which will play. The options are Ram and Shyam, Ram and Mohan, Ram and Krishna. So let's say he chooses Ram and Shyam to be partners. Other partners will be Mohan and Krishna automatically. So now all the names are displayed. Ram and Shyam are partners, Mohan and Krishna are partners. So now the second player, he gets the message input required. In his input section, he is getting enter number of cards to cut. He can enter any number from 0 to 31, both included. If he enters 0, no cards are cut. If he enters 31, that means again every card is cut, so it's the same thing. He can enter any number in between. Let's say he enters 5 and presses enter. So every player now gets their first set of 4 cards. These are cards of Shyam. So every player is getting his all 4 cards. So now again Shyam is getting a message in the input section, enter your bid 17 to 28 or enter 0 to pass. This is the time when bidding will happen, means players can say how many points they want to make in the game by looking at their 4 cards. They can choose from 17 to 28, or if they want to pass they can just simply enter 0. So let's say Shyam chooses 17 points to bid. He types 17, presses enter. The application displays Shyam bid 17 points. Now third player Mohan is also seeing that Shyam bid 17 points. Now he is getting in his input section the same message to bid points. Let's say he bids 18 points, types 18, presses enter. So Mohan bids 18 points. The control now again goes to Shyam. Let's say he chooses to pass, so he types 0, presses enter. So message comes Shyam passed. So now Ram is getting the message to enter his bid. Let's say he chooses 19 points. So Ram bids 19 points, control goes back to Mohan. So now bidding is between Ram and Mohan. So let's say Mohan chooses to bid 20 points, presses enter. Mohan bids 20 points. So again control goes back to Ram. Let's say Ram chooses to pass, he enters 0. So Ram passed. Now lastly Krishna, Mohan's partner, will be asked to bid. If he doesn't want to bid, let's say he enters 0. So the bidding has been won by Mohan. This message is displayed in the application. So now Mohan is getting input required. Now in his input section he is getting the message choose your suit. So using the drop down he can choose the suit card or the color card which we call in this game. So he can choose heart, diamond, club, spade, or he can choose 7th card also. So let's say he chooses diamond. So after he chooses the suit card, all players get the next 4 cards. So now they have all their 8 cards. So now play will begin. Mohan is getting the message your turn to play. So he can start playing by just, if he wants to say play like the jack of spades, so he can just click this card, and this card will come into the playing area. This is the playing area. So now every other player is getting to see that Mohan has played the Jack of Spades. So after Mohan, it's Ram turns. Ram is getting your turn to play. Let's say he plays the King of Spades. So after Ram, it's Krishna's turn. Krishna, let's say he plays Seven of Spades. So after Krishna, Shyam will play. Let's say he plays Eight of Spades. So after all four cards are played, the application decides who wins. So Mohan wins hand. The playing area is cleared. So in the score section, Krishna and Mohan are now, it is displayed, they are having 3 points. Ram and Shyam are not having any points, it's 0. And the target points are also being displayed. Mohan and Krishna have to score 20 points, which Mohan bid, and he won the bidding. So these are the score cards which we'll see afterwards. So Mohan won the hand, so Mohan will play again. Let's say he chooses to play 7 of diamonds. After Mohan, Ram will play. So he plays the 9 of diamonds. After Ram, Krishna will play. Krishna plays the 10 of diamonds. Then Shyam will play. Shyam plays the Jack of diamonds. So this hand will be won by Shyam. Shyam wins hand. Ram and Shyam get 6 points. So it's Shyam turn again. So let's say Shyam plays Jack of clubs. So after Shyam, it's Mohan's turn. Let's say Mohan plays 7 of clubs. After Mohan, it's Ram's turn. Ram plays 10 of clubs. Then Krishna. Let's say Krishna plays 8 of clubs. So this hand is again won by Shyam. Points are updated. Playing area cleared. So now it's Shyam's turn again. Let's say he plays 7 of hearts. Mohan's turn. Mohan plays 9 of hearts. Ram plays Jack of hearts. Krishna plays 10 of hearts. So Ram wins this hand. So it's Ram's turn now. Let's say he plays 8 of hearts. After Ram, it's Krishna's turn. Now we see that Krishna is not having the heart card, so he'll choose to dig. He will turn the suit card. This is the suit card which Mohan has chosen to be diamond. Now no one is seeing this right now, but now let's say Krishna chooses to see the suit card. So here's the suit button for that. He presses it. The suit card is displayed. This is displayed in every player's application. So Krishna, after pressing the suit card, he can play this ace of diamonds. So now he is winning. So after Krishna, it's Shyam's turn. Shyam plays ace of hearts. After Shyam, it's Mohan's turn. It's Krishna is winning. Let's say he plays ace of spades. So this hand is won by Krishna. Points are updated. So it's again Krishna's turn. So as we can see, now the suit card has been turned, and both means Krishna and Mohan and Shyam and Ram have already won some points. So this pair button is enabled. So now any player wants to show pair, king and queen pair of diamonds, they can press this pair button. So if you see, Shyam is having a pair of diamonds, king and queen. So let's say he presses the pair button. The message is displayed, Shyam is showing pair. And now the target points which Mohan and Krishna had to score 20, now it's been increased to 24 points. So this is how players can show pair. So it was Krishna's turn. Krishna plays, let's say, queen of clubs. After Krishna, Shyam. So he doesn't have clubs, so he will play the queen of diamonds. So Shyam is winning now. After Shyam, Mohan will play. Mohan has to play ace of clubs. After Mohan, Ram will play. So as Shyam is winning, let's say he plays 9 of spades. So this hand goes to Shyam as he played the suit card. So it's Shyam's turn. Let's say he plays the 10 of spades. Mohan plays the queen of spades. Ram plays queen of hearts. So till now Shyam is winning. So Krishna plays king of clubs. So Shyam wins again. Points are updated. Playing area cleared. So now it's down to the last card, which again Shyam will win as he is having diamond. Diamond is the suit. So Shyam plays king of diamonds. Mohan has also the diamond, but he's not winning. Shyam is winning. So Ram plays king of hearts. So now this is the last card to be played. Krishna has 9 of clubs, so this hand will again be won by Shyam. So when he plays, Krishna plays 9 of clubs. Message is displayed, Shyam wins hand. Points are updated. Ram and Shyam also get 1 extra point for winning last hand. So Mohan and Krishna have lost this game as they had to score 24 points, but they scored just 6. So now the scorecards, that this one black is being displayed for Mohan and Krishna because they lost. So this is displayed in each user's application. Krishna and Mohan are getting 1 black, as you can see in each application. So now the game has been reset. The server has reset the game. So now in the first round, Shyam had got the chance to cut the card. Now Mohan has got input required, enter number of cards to cut. So he can enter any number he wants. He can press enter and the game will begin as we saw in the first round. So this is the application. There is one also, I made one chat functionality. This is the chat section. Players can chat with each other while playing. The text box, if they click, they can enter any message. Let's say Mohan enters hello and presses enter. So this message will be displayed to every player. Ram is getting that Mohan is saying hello. Shyam is also seeing that. Krishna is also seeing that. So this is chat functionality built in. They can use this. So this is my 29 Windows application. It's version 1.0. Any one player needs to run the server first. All players can then run their application, connect to the server, and they can play. And if any player loses his internet connection or he closes accidentally his application, other players will get the message that Krishna got disconnected. Restart server and reconnect. So if any player gets disconnected, all players need to disconnect. Server needs to be stopped, and then everything has to be restarted. Server needs to be restarted, clients need to connect to the server, and then they can play. So this was the demo of my 29 application. I put in a lot of effort in this. So try it out. You can play online, 4 players. Let me know if you like it, and if any modifications or improvements, you can point it out on Facebook. So enjoy.